Dates are given significance in Islam, not only as a nutritional fruit, but as a practice of sunnah. Dates are mentioned 22 times in the Quran, particularly in Surah Maryam, where Allah urged Maryam to eat dates when she was experiencing pain while she was pregnant with Prophet Isa. Did you know dates are also a good source of iron? Perfect for combating anemia and boosting energy levels. Dates, they're a sweet and nutritious fruit, packed with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. They're also known for their potential health benefits, such as supporting bone health, reducing inflammation, and aiding digestion. Plus, they're a natural sweetener and can be used in smoothies, baked goods, and desserts. Dates are packed with antioxidants, which can help protect against cell damage. They're a good source of fiber, which can support healthy digestion and bowel function. Dates have been cultivated for over 5,000 years, with ancient civilizations using them for food, medicine, and even as a form of currency. Some studies suggest that dates may help prepare the body for labor and delivery. A healthy daily intake of dates is generally 2 to 3 dates. This quantity allows you to enjoy their benefits without excessive sugar or calorie consumption. Individuals with higher energy needs, such as athletes, might consume more, up to 4 to 6 dates, especially before or after workouts. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can contribute to healthy and radiant skin. Dates have antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral characteristics, as well as the ability to prevent chronic inflammation and other disorders.